Everyone posts the exact same 7 AI tools, the same recycled list, copied from the same 5 videos. Forget all of it. These are the 7 I actually pay for and use every single week to run faceless YouTube channels almost entirely on autopilot. Channels built to actually make money, not just collect likes. And here's the part that surprises people. 6 of these are completely free. Number 5 is the one that quietly finds the money, and almost nobody talks about it. So stay till the end for that one. Let's start with number 1, the brain of the entire operation. It's an AI assistant called Claude. And no, I do not use it to spit out soulless, generic text. That gets you nowhere. I feed it my rough idea and real data, and I use it to research and pull specific facts. Then it finds a sharp angle that most channels completely overlook. And it structures the whole video for retention, scene by scene, with a hook and a payoff. It even writes the opening hook 3 different ways, so I can pick the strongest one. It writes fast, but I make every real decision. It's the writer's hands, I'm still the brain. Number 2, the voice you are listening to right now. It's a tool called ElevenLabs, and it generates a voice almost indistinguishable from a human. You can tune the emotion, the pacing, even the emphasis on specific words. This is the one tool on the entire list that I actually pay for, and it is worth every cent, because the voice decides whether someone stays or leaves in the first 10 seconds. My very first videos used a free robotic voice, and the retention was an absolute disaster. It cost me around $22 a month. Keep that number in mind, because it is the only thing I pay for in this entire stack. Number 3, my entire art studio, and it runs for free. It's an open model called Flux, running through a free tool called ComfyUI. Every single image you see in my videos is generated locally, right here on my own laptop. It runs on a normal gaming graphics card. No cloud, no servers, no stock footage, no monthly fee, no limits whatsoever. A typical video uses 50 to 100 custom images that match the script exactly, and every one of them cost me exactly $0. Number 4, the editor that almost nobody mentions. It's a completely free tool called ffmpeg, and it does all the heavy lifting. It stitches every image, the voice, and the motion into one finished video, perfectly in sync. Work that would take hours in a normal editing app, done in minutes. It's the same engine the biggest platforms use under the hood. I wrote one small script, and now it builds every single video the same way by itself. Quick one before the best 3. If you're building anything like this, hit subscribe. I document this entire machine in public, tool by tool. Okay, back to the list. Now, number 5, the one that actually finds the money and the reason most channels quietly die. It's a research tool called vidIQ, and it tells you exactly what people are already searching for before you make the video. Here's the mistake that kills almost every new channel. They guess what to make, pour hours into it, post it into total silence, and give up. vidIQ shows me the search volume and how hard each topic is to rank for. I only make videos that score green. That single rule changed everything for me. Making a video people are already looking for is the biggest unfair advantage on this platform. Number 6, the glue that holds the whole machine together. It's an automation tool called n8n, and it connects every step I just showed you. It can publish the video, schedule the shorts, and even message me when it's all done. It's like hiring an assistant that works for free, 24 hours a day. I set it up once, and the system keeps running quietly in the background, even while I sleep. And number 7, the surprise that almost nobody is using yet. It's YouTube's own automatic dubbing, and it is completely free. You just flip it on in the settings one time. It takes one video and turns it into versions for dozens of languages in a natural voice. So a video I make in English instantly reaches someone in Brazil, in Japan, in Germany. A quarter of my watch time now comes from languages I don't even speak. Creators using it report 2 to 3 times the audience from the exact same video. It is the closest thing to free money on this platform. So after all 7, what does this entire toolkit actually cost to run? 6 of them are completely free. The only thing I actually pay for is the voice, around $22 a month. That is the entire budget behind a channel that runs itself. So that's the real stack. 6 free tools, 1 paid voice, and a human brain steering all of it. Not the recycled list everyone copies, but the exact tools I use every single week. If you want to see the full pipeline all of these run inside, that video's right here. This is the Faceless Lab. I'll see you.